Hi students, today some cases in parallelogram of vectors. Okay, you know resultant magnitude is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta tan alpha is equal to q sin theta by p plus q cos theta. You know already these two equations. Okay, first one, case 1. If two vectors are in parallel, okay, if two vectors are in parallel, that means it is a p bar. Next, this one is the q bar. Resultant is this one, r bar. You know, parallel in the sense theta is equal to 0 degrees. Parallel in the sense theta is equal to 0 degrees. What about cos 0 degrees? Cos 0, 1. Next, sin 0 degrees, 0. Okay, substituting in this one, r is equal to square root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 0 degrees. R is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq. Okay, it is in the form of square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab. That means square root of p plus q whole square. Square root cancel. R is equal to p plus q. This one is the maximum resultant. This one is maximum resultant. If both are in same direction, so resultant is equal to sum of its magnitude only. Sum of its magnitude. R is equal to p plus q. Now tan alpha is equal to q sin 0 degrees by p plus q cos 0 degrees. Sin 0, 0 by something, 0. That means alpha is equal to 0 degrees. Here resultant vector and p bar and q bar all are in same direction. Here alpha is equal to 0 degrees in the sense resultant vector and p bar and q bar all are in same direction. Understood? Okay, all are in same direction. Now it is first case. Second case, case 2. If two vectors are in anti-parallel, are in anti-parallel. Anti-parallel in the sense both are opposite direction. See, P bar and Q bar both are in opposite direction. Both are in opposite direction means this one is the resultant. Okay. Here resultant is always along the greater magnitude direction, along P bar direction or along Q bar direction. Okay. Here theta is equal to 180 degrees. Cos 180 degrees is equal to -1. Sin 180 degrees is equal to 0. Okay. Resultant R is equal to square root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 180 degrees. R is equal to P square plus Q square cos 180 minus 1. Minus 1 into plus minus 2PQ. It is in the form of A square plus B square minus 2AB formation. So R is equal to, you write as P minus Q whole square. Square root cancel. This one is the minimum value. Okay, here resultant is P minus Q. Okay, simply subtraction of magnitudes in opposite direction. Okay, now tan alpha is equal to Q sine 180 degrees by P plus Q cos 180 degrees. Sin 180 0 by 0 sum. Here alpha is equal to either 0 degrees or 180 degrees. Okay, 0 degrees or 180 degrees. Understood? Alpha is equal to here 0 degrees. 0 degrees in the sense P bar and that means P bar and R bar in same direction. 180 degrees means Q bar and R bar in same direction. Understood? Okay. So resultant is always along the greater magnitude direction. Resultant is always along the greater magnitude direction. Understood? Okay. Next, case 3. Case 3. If two vectors are in perpendicular, if two vectors are in perpendicular means, now here this one is the P bar, this one is Q bar. What about theta? Theta is equal here 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. Resultant square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 0. So simply P square plus Q square. P square plus Q square. Tan alpha is equal to Q sine 90 degrees by P plus Q cos 90 degrees. So tan alpha is equal to here Q sin 91 by P plus Q cos 90 0. Q by P. Tan alpha is equal to Q by P. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of Q by P. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of Q by P. Understood? Okay. So resultant is equal to here square root of P square plus Q square. Okay, this one. Next, case 4. Case 4. If theta greater than 90 degrees. If theta greater than 90 degrees and resultant vector perpendicular to the one of the vector, okay, that means smaller magnitude vector. Now here this one is the P bar, this one is Q bar. Okay, here angle is more than 90 and another condition is resultant R bar perpendicular to one of the vector. You have taken this one is 5. Okay, it's parallel vector here. this one. Understood? Okay. What about alpha? Alpha is the angle between resultant vector and one of the vector. Okay. So alpha is equal to here 90 degrees. Here alpha is equal to 90. You know tan alpha is equal to q sin theta by p plus q cos theta. P plus q cos theta taken in this side. Q sin theta by tan alpha. P plus q cos theta is equal to q sin theta by tan 90 degrees. Okay, what about tan 90 infinity? Q sin theta by infinity, 1 by infinity is nothing but 0. So P plus Q cos theta is equal to 0. P plus, sorry, Q cos theta is equal to minus P. Cos theta is equal to minus P by Q. Here cos theta is equal to, what's that one? Minus P by Q. Resultant R is equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta minus P by Q. Q cancel. R is equal to here P square plus Q square minus into plus minus 2P square. Okay, P square minus 2P square is P square. R is equal to square root of Q square minus P square. Resultant is equal to square root of Q square minus P square. Understood? Okay. From this one, what about sin phi? Sin phi is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse means P by Q. What about cos phi? Cos phi is equal to R by Q. What about tan phi? P by R. P by R. Okay. Here, what about total theta? Theta is 90 degrees plus phi. Here, theta is 90 degrees plus phi. Understood? Okay. Next, you know already, R maxima means P plus Q. R minima means P minus Q. So R maxima by R minima is right as P plus Q by P minus Q, or P by Q is equal to R maxima plus R minima by R maxima minus R minima. Okay, R maxima by R minima equal to P plus Q by P minus Q. So R P by Q equal to R maxima plus R minima by R maxima minus R minima. And next, if magnitudes are equal, that means P is equal to Q. Resultant vector P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Here P is equal to Q means R is equal to P square plus 2 P into P cos theta. Understood? R is equal to here 2P square plus 2P square cos theta. R is equal to 2P square is common. 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. You know 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So student here R is equal to 2p square into 2 cos square theta by 2 r equal to 2 into 2 4 p square cos square theta by 2. It will write as 2p cos theta by 2 whole square. Both are cancelled. That means resultant is equal to here 2p cos theta by 2. If two vectors magnitudes are same, what about resultant? 2p cos theta by 2. Next, tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to q. Q in the sense here you are taken directly p. P sin theta by p plus p cos theta. Okay. Tan alpha is equal to p sin theta by p is common 1 plus cos theta. P cancel. Understood? In that one, you know already sin theta is write as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Substituting in that one, tan alpha is equal to sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 2 cancel. This cancel. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. What are one? Tan theta by 2. Tan alpha equal to tan theta by 2 means alpha is equal to theta by 2. Alpha is equal to here theta by 2. I understood. Okay. For example, if magnitude of resultant is equal to magnitude of p equal to magnitude of q, what is the angle between the vectors? Resultant p and q, all are magnitudes the same. You know r is equal to what at 1? 2p cos theta by 2. Okay, here resultant this one same. That means cos theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Theta by 2 is equal to 60 degrees because of cos theta 1 by 2 means theta is equal to 60 like that one. Okay, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Theta is equal to 60 into 2. Simply 120 degrees. What about theta here? 120 degrees. Theta is equal to here 120 degrees. Understood? Okay. Now next unit vector parallel to the resultant vector. Parallel to the resultant vector. Parallel to the resultant vector. Unit vector parallel to the resultant vector. That means here r cap, you know unit vector, mod of r bar. That means p bar plus q bar by mod of p bar plus q bar. Mod of p bar plus q bar. Next, parallelogram vectors in subtraction. Okay, in subtraction, parallelogram vectors in subtraction. Parallelogram of vectors in subtraction. Okay, in subtraction, here it is p bar. This one is q bar. Okay, it is p bar. This one is q bar. Angle is theta. Now, what about this one here? This one is minus q bar. What about this angle? 180 degrees minus theta. it represents the resultant vector S bar. Okay, it represents the resultant vector. See this dotted line. This one is P bar. This one is minus Q bar. Understood? It is the resultant vector. Here S bar is write as P bar minus Q bar. S bar equal to P bar minus Q bar. Its magnitude S is equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 180 degrees minus theta. Cos 180 degrees minus theta. Okay, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So S is equal to P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos theta. In subtraction of vectors, square root of P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos theta. For example, this angle is alpha. Tan alpha is equal to Q sin 180 degrees minus theta by P plus Q cos 180 degrees minus theta. Okay, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta, Q sin theta by P cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, P minus Q cos theta. Okay, tan alpha is equal to Q sin theta by P minus Q cos theta. Okay, tan alpha is equal here Q sin theta by P minus Q cos theta. Next, in this case, if mod of P bar equal to mod of Q bar, magnitudes are equal. If magnitudes are equal, S is equal to write as P square plus 2 P into P square cos theta. Sorry, here minus this one. Okay, so yes, P square plus P square, 2P square is common, 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. Yes, is equal to 2P square 2 sin square theta by 2. Simply to write as 2P sin theta by 2 whole square. These two are cancelled. So S is equal to what one here? 2P sin theta by 2. Okay. So tan alpha. Leave it at one. See, in this case, resultant is equal here 2P sin theta by 2. Understood? Okay. If magnitudes are equal. Next, if mod of P bar equal to mod of Q bar. Okay. What is the angle between the vectors? If mod of P bar equal to mod of Q bar, okay, then here mod of P bar plus Q bar equal to mod of P bar minus Q bar. What is the angle between the vectors? What is the angle between the vectors? What is the angle between the vectors? See, magnitudes are equal. Equal in the sense, its resultant is right as 2P cos theta by 2. It resultant 2P sin theta by 2. 2P cancel. So cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 is equal to what one here? 1. Okay. That means tan theta by 2 is equal to 1. Theta by 2 is equal to what are done here? 45 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Angle between the vectors is 90 degrees. Understood? So theta is equal to 90. Next, next, mod of r bar plus mod of s bar. What are the value? Okay, that means okay, no need. See, uh, r square plus s square. What is the resultant? What about r square? P square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Next, p square plus q square minus 2pq cos theta. These two are cancelled. 2p square plus 2q square. 2 p square plus q square. That means r square plus s square is equal to what are the value here? 2 into in bracket p square plus q square. Okay.